I'm not sure that it's necessary, and that may be somewhat controversial. And I think that if you think about the environment we live in today, the reality on the ground is that I think people need to just make a living. They need to survive. I think the only reason why a person that doesn't have a job today wants a skill is to survive. So if I can enable the survival without the skill, then I'm winning. And I think the goal I give our team back home is if everyone in South Africa, including unskilled, skilled, can use TikTok, why can't they use our solutions on the shop floor too? So you don't need to train somebody to use TikTok. It's intuitive, it works. So why don't, as in the manufacturing space, we somehow miss that point? And I really think that in our environment, in South Africa, in Africa in particular, where we have 450 million youth, many of them unemployed, I think they need an opportunity just to get a leg up. And I think technology presents that step for them. And I know it sounds controversial to say you shouldn't get skills, but first step is to get food on the plate. And I think technology can enable food on the plate. And then you can upskill yourself beyond that. And most people are wanting to upskill their kids, not necessarily themselves, if you just look at the reality on the ground.